So I'm in my mama's garden, at Big Mama's garden. Look at how beautiful her flowers are blooming, and look at the butterfly. She has butterflies flying all around her garden right now. It's so cute. Try not to scare it off, but look how pretty. Let me see if it'll let me get close. Look at how cute. Yes, my mama not only plants vegetables and fruits, she plants flowers too. Y'all follow her page on YouTube at Big Mama's Garden. Oh, it's so pretty. We got some more beautiful finds in Big Mama's garden. Right now, Jessica's watering the garden, so I'm looking to see what needs to be pulled right now. What needs to be harvested, I guess. I don't know the term. What do you think? Need some green peppers. We're getting it together. The basil. I'm about to pull some basil so I can bring home. We need to cook it. And some habanero peppers that we have in the back. And we're just getting it together.